Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will show my presentation. My name is Muhammad Anang Subki from class 92 to B07. My name is 1924 2016 and my agency number is 23. Topic 1. What is hardware? Hardware is all the physical components that make up a computer and can be touched directly. In Indonesian, hardware is often referred to as perangkat keras. These components include parts such as the processor, memory, RAM, storage device, motherboard, and input-output device such as the keyboard and mouse. Hardware classification. Hardware is a group of physical components that complement computer equipment and coordinate the main activities, which is an important characteristic in all equipment. The components include motherboard, LCD screen, laser printer, USB stick, electronic chip, and power cable, as well as many other items. Hardware classification input device. Input devices are responsible for data entry. Their function is to process referred information such as text, recordings, and images. And they also have the capability to transfer different files to other computer. In this case, the keyboard is one of the most widely used elements. When it comes to input hardware, they are used to input into computer equipment, and among the are the mouse, keyboard, and DVD reader. Hardware classification processing device. Components that handle data processing is the central function of computer equipment. It is the phase where the transformation of raw data occurs, which after this process is useful in content management. The the microprocessor is the main device in this case. In this case, it is hardware such as microprocessor, chipset, and mathematical function coprocessor. Hardware classification output device. Output devices are hardware that distribute and present data and information. The output occurs when the cycle begins with raw data input and with the final process of displaying data. Among those are storage device or cable, printer, plotters, and plasma screen. Hardware classification storage device. A storage device is a component or part of computer used to store data. Commands or instructions that will be processed by the processing units. A storage device is an integral part of computer hardware with function to store information or data from all computational processing results. Without a storage device, the computer would not be able to run or load data. In other words, a storage device is hardware used to store, transfer, or load data on computer. Port and connector. Port it can be likened to a door or hole on a device, such as computer that serve as point of entry or exit for data. This port allows other devices to connect and communicate. Connector, it is the physical part that protrudes from a cable or device designed to fit into the port of another device. This connector functions to physically connect device. Hardware development. First generation 2140, 2950 vacuum tubes. Using a vacuum tube very large, low, and hot. Example, ENIAC UNIVAC, large and expensive hardware. Second generation 1950, 1960 transistor, replaced with a transistor. Smaller size, more energy efficient, performance is more stable. Starting to be used in business and institution. Third generation 1960, 1970 integrated circuits (ICS) using IC integrated circuit can run many programs faster and more economical. Computers are starting to enter the world of education and industry. Fourth generation 1970 present microprocessor using a microprocessor all CPU component in on chip. The personal computer PC emerged, the smaller, cheaper, and stronger. The era of home computer and laptop. 50 generation present future. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing. Focus on artificial intelligence AI, quantum computing, and miniaturization. Devices are getting smarter and more energy efficient. Example, neural engine chip, GPU for AI SoC system on chip. Thank you. Let's move on to the next topic. There's still one more topic to cover. Second topic, software and operating system. What is software? Software is a collection of instruction, data, or computer programs that are used to run machines and carry out particular activities. It is the antithesis of hardware, which refers to a computer external component. Example of software. There are various types of software, such as system software such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Application software such as Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, Adobe, and Photoshop. Programming software such as Visual Studio Code, Python, and Java. Software function. The function of the software is managing hardware to work simultaneously, providing essential functions that enable the computer to operate, equipping the computer so that it can operate well using certain commands, maintaining hardware so that it functions well according to needs. Characteristic of software function as a supporter and manager of hardware so that the computer operates according to needs, having various types of licenses such as open source, freeware, shareware, and commercial. Requires the installer file for the installation process before use. Vulnerable to virus attacks, so it needs protection from a reliable antivirus. What is operating system? An operating system is the software that acts as the bridge between you, the user, and the computer hardware. It's managed hardware resources like that CPU, central processing unit, memory, storage, and input or output device, such as keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. Example of operating system. There are various types of operating system, such as desktop or laptop operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Mobile operating system like Android, iOS, and Harmony OS. Server operating systems such as Windows Server, Ubuntu Server, and Zen OS. System operation function. The function of the operating system is running the program, maintaining data security from cyber attacks, managing this storage media, managing running processes, controlling device, display the interface or user interface, UI, managing the data on the computer, managing software and hardware to ensure they work stable, providing a user interface for interacting with the computer. Characteristic of operating system. Managing all hardware and software activities, acting as an intermediary between user and computer device, providing both text-based and graphical interface, running and managing application process in a multitasking manner, managing storage, memory, and the file system, managing access to input and output device, providing security and user access control. So, thank you for watching and see you soon.